Michelle Loeffler, and I teach environmental science to 9th through 12th graders. And this class focuses on natural systems and human interactions. It is an interdisciplinary study. What the heck does that mean? Well, that means that you're going to learn a little bit about biology, chemistry, ecology, and geology, and see how all of the science impacts our human systems and our natural systems as a whole. We're going to talk about the land, we're going to talk about energy, pollution, and global climate change, but some of the more details, we'll look at human population and how that affects our natural systems. We'll look at the biodiversity and how humans affect the biodiversity here on Earth. We will look how humans impact the trash and waste consumption on Earth and what we can do to solve those problems. We also focus on water, is a main focus of the class year-round. We also are guided by real-day, modern issues that come up every day. And we look at and we watch a lot of documentaries that are current and recent to what's happening today, such as The Human Element, Before the Flood, The True Cost, which talks about the fashion industry, if anybody's interested in that. And we also talked, a new one that we've just started watching is Kiss the Ground, and it really looks at climate change and soil. So, what are you going to learn? You're going to learn about all of these different aspects of these two interactions. And if you decide to take the class and go beyond that, some of the jobs you can have, you can stay in academia, which you can continue to do research around environmental issues, or you could do some non-traditional, you could be an environmental reporter. You could also be a toxicologist or an environmental lawyer, as well as a fish and game warden. This class would help you with that. We're really into questioning and communication. If you're curious and enjoy using your mind to solve problems and want to help out your communities in the future, this is a class for you. We also really look at the economic value of our environments and our society, because those are how our choices are made. And so we have to look at the science first and then make some type of decision for this. So things that we do in class, we do labs, we do a lot of questions, really focused questions. We do a lot of communications, and you actually make decisions based on what you understand. So what do I want you to understand? Get out of this class is I want you to understand the science, and I want you to make a difference to our community based on the knowledge of what you understand. Okay, my name is Michelle Loeffler, and I teach natural disasters to 9th through 12th graders. It's a semester class, and this class really focuses on natural disasters that happen across the earth. And one of the reasons to take this class as we become more of a global society, you can start to ask yourself what type of risks from natural disasters will you encounter. So in the class we focus on blizzards and earthquakes, volcanoes, tornadoes, and hurricanes, just to name a few. But we also look at the community impact of the disaster and how to ask the right questions and who to ask the right questions after you experience a disaster, and safety concerns. We also watch a few documentaries and movies in the classroom, and then look at the science behind it. And we also look at the top 10 list. So if you want to take this class, it's for a class for somebody that enjoys just learning about disasters that happen, and also where you might live one day and what you should be aware of. Well, the benefits of this class are being aware of your surroundings, of where you live eventually. I think this is a really one for somebody that wants to go into understanding how to be a global citizen and how, where you live and what type of disasters you could be affected by.